The following contest is scheduled for one fall and is for the WWE Women's Intercontinental Championship.
Kelly is all smiles tonight, always ready to make her fans happy.
Kelly is at WrestleMania Mania! Sorry, force of habit. She's had multiple matches here, and I have no doubt Kelly's WrestleMania success will continue tonight. Why do I keep doing that? We know she flies in big matches, and it doesn't get any bigger than a match where the title is on the line. If she's gonna thrive and win that title.
Introducing the challenger from Jacksonville, Florida, Kelly. And her opponent from London, England, the WWE Women's Intercontinental Champion, Lizzy.
Big fight feel, the Women's Intercontinental title on the line. Big match here as we see the Women's Intercontinental title up for grabs.
Well, the Men's Intercontinental Championship has often been viewed as the workhorse title, and this one's also earning that same reputation.
For the women's division this deep, that's not at all surprising, Corey. Roundhouse kick connects.
The springboard attack fails to land. Oh, just bludgeoning the competition with that blow. In position, thinking this is her moment to seize.
Well, there she goes. Heading out, but needs to be aware of the referee's count. And a well-timed counter.
Boom! Shaking neck breaker.
Oof, Kelly with a course correction. Oh, she fights Kelly back. Swinging the leg.
The action spilling our way now. Might need to take cover.
Scrambling up the top turnbuckle now.
From the top. Good Lord. Taking flight. Adrenaline can make you do crazy things. Exhibit A right there.
Oh, they clutch their opponent's wrist, and look at this.
And this is just next-level brutality.
And if you keep bringing the fight like that, we just
From the top, crashing to the floor.
A gruesome landing. I don't know how you walk away from that.
sent flying hard into those steel steps. Kelly just rubbing it in now.
Does she think she's in a pose-off or something? This is a wrestling match.
Here we go. Time to work out some aggression. Looks like a hockey fight's just broken out.
Oh, this exchange is whipping this capacity crowd into a frenzy.
This is a war of attrition with neither superstar wanting to be the one who surrenders.
This has turned into a violent game of chicken. Who's going to step off the gas first?
Check your face after that one. The challenger is going for it. Pushes through after two.
She needs to watch out. That got dicey there, man. She manages to...
Clothesline. And a second. This superstar building momentum. Sweeping the leg. Things are looking up.
And the champ does not end it.
Oh, this could be it. This could be that pivotal tipping point in this match. Incredible springboard right there.
Looking dazed. You can tell she has no idea what's coming to her. Rollins takes them down. And she's tracking her opponent. Might be ready to put her away. Oof, back elbow puts a stop to things. Right hand after right hand. This is ugly.
There was just no sign of holding back from them right there.
Kelly with a K2.
Could that be enough to gain the title?
There's two. Kick out. Thought that was the end of her.
Oh, the champ is not going down easy. No way, man.
That was a great opportunity to put this one away, but it slipped right through her fingers. She turns it around with the reversal.
Find some payback with their own reversal.
These two trading count.
A tremendous pin combination. She fights her shoulder up before one.
She's still looking strong even as this match goes into deep waters.
Range down an elbow retaliation.
In the corner now, she needs to fight out of it. Some quick thinking, even quicker movement right there.
Diving splash in the corner.
Uses the edge of the knee. Poised and ready to strike. Swaps him away to get out of danger.
And Kelly in complete control here. Kelly too drops their opponent.
The challenger might have what it takes to win this.
What a kick out at two.
We almost just had a new champion, less than a second away.
You got to give a lot of credit here, withstanding what has taken out many other competitors.
Double chicken wing, up and
Oh, what a gutbuster. What more can any of these women do in this scenario?
you have to squeeze every last ounce out of whatever gas you have left in the tank.
What a counter. Get this back into the ring now. And the challenger's really not looking so hot now.
Running on up.
Measuring their opponent. Waiting for their opponent to get back to their feet. Ooh, Kelly with a course correction.
Kelly has her marked.
Nasty spear. Listen to this
the corner. Has to find a way out of there.
And she narrowly escapes that maneuver. Kelly fending that off. Neck breaker. Taking the easy way out as she's able to escape the action.
Just dropping down with the big leg there. Oh, made that kick. Connected.
Strong forearm.
What an exploder suplex.
Drop zones ready.
Drop kick. No doubt Kelly is having trouble here.
Kelly is being worked on heavily.
She manages to reverse it.
Finally, Kelly's able to interrupt these attacks for a moment.
That might be what gets Kelly out of jeopardy.
Face first. And there's new life in
Pin for the title.
emphatic kick out from the champion.
You'll have to move heaven and earth to keep the champion down. And even then, this is proof that they still might kick out. You know, I can barely hear myself think. This crowd is looking to...
Poised and ready to strike. Scorpion kick.
Was that enough? Did the champ put this one away?
Retains the title. These ladies put on quite a show. Here's another gander.
Here is your winner, and still the WWE Women's Intercontinental Champion, Lizzy.
So she succeeds in defending her title tonight.
What a reassuring victory for her tonight. The champ proving why she's at the top once again.